which I miss to Upam Guata. Who need to Yompa? Yompa, what you say? For Mamma and the corn. Asantehene Chiwadia. Santimania Chiwadia. I hope I didn't go on to a Chiwadia. Cassianti. Did you end the or buy the young coupon or was robust as it? When you have Mamma in Tassam, who may in Tassam, on one who made that. Already Panasu, and a black female boy, who would not say a word of them. Then the book would do a friend you are. With not one and doing to you, who says you could not one the new year or conference.
So.
I welcome you and your wife and the delegation to Kumasi on behalf of my people here at the community of Asantehene. Also on behalf of the people of Ghana. We thank you for this visit. Let me also congratulate you on your election as the president in 2019. President of Malta. I will be the second president of Malta president today. The first one was in 2017 when she visited and then extended an invitation for me to visit your beautiful country. Now that we are here, it affirms the collaboration and the good relationship between Ghana and Malta. We seek for collaboration, and during my third visit and the third visit of the president, we encourage that Ghana and Malta will have that joint commission to be able to discuss and then look forward to partner each other. To be able to have a firm commitment to develop economically and in the areas of tourism, in the areas of education, and various areas that we talked about. I see from this visit that you come today to affirm that. In your meeting with the president, I know that we emphasize on the joint cooperation and collaboration that Malta seeks with Ghana. I want to assure you that we all are in support of that. Because of Malta being a very good country economically and in the center of Europe Center, where the affection and the love we shown to our immigrants in Malta, the flexibility that we dealt with them, I find that we have a heart for Ghana and then Africa. I've seen also the collaboration that we see for sub-Saharan Africa. And I want to assure you that anything that we have to do to collaborate in relation to developing our food and which will be mutual, beneficial to our two countries, we will support to do that. My university here, Otumfuo University in Science and Technology, I see the collaboration between that and the University of Malta, so that we can exchange students as we do, and then into the single programs and all that, so that we can then advance further education. What we know is education is going to develop this country, and therefore if we can have good education for our people, to create employment for us, and then companies and investors also would have the adequate human resource to meet their requirements. These are some of the areas that we think we can collaborate together, and I'm sure with the delegation here and the permanent commission, I believe can do that. All these various issues will be brought up together. Tourism is one area that should advance, and tourism is another area that we have, but we have further to enhance development in our country. That if we're able to learn from you and you assist us to develop our tourism areas, it will help create employment, it will help create job for the people, and it will help our economy also. As Malta has done. So, whilst you're visiting, we want to assure you that these are areas that we also want to collaborate with Malta. And assure you that Ghana is ready, investors from there to come here, there's stable democracy in this country, change our government through the ballot box and everything is stable, and therefore investors are assured of a stable atmosphere and climate for them to build their money here. And with me sitting here, government will come and go around here, so we will always protect the investors. I want to assure you that the message that you carry to the people that Ghana is ready, and Ghana seeks investment from Malta.
So,
Thank you for visiting us today, and we assure you that Ghana is also very proud to receive you. Thank you very much for coming.